Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all to the assembly conducted by Great First Day. The theme of our assembly is patience. Patience is bitter, but its fruit is sweet. मतलब इंतज़ार का फल हमेशा मीठा होता है. So, children, let us start our morning assembly with this beautiful prayer.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Priyan Singh Dhanwal. From class first A, I request to you join your hand, close your eyes for the morning prayer. Praise Him, praise Him in the morning, praise Him in the noonday, praise Him, praise Him when the sun goes down. Love Him, love Him, love Him in the morning, love Him in the noonday, love Him, love Him, love Him when the sun goes down.
Let us now take the pledge.
Good morning, all of you. I am Tanishka Chafal from grade first day. Now I request you to take your pledge position. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion in their well-being, prosperity, and all lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Come, let us make our day more beautiful with this positive thought.
Hello everyone, my name is Jijans Pandey. I am studying in class 1A. Today I am tell you a thought. Patience is not the ability to wait, but the ability to keep a good attitude while waiting. I am repeating again. Patience is not the ability to wait, but the ability to keep a good attitude while waiting. Thank you.
To enhance our word vocabulary, here are two new words.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Yuvraj Bretha from grade first A. To increase your word vocabulary, here are two new words: ability, 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 attitude, ATTITUDE, attitude. Ability means talent or skill. Attitude means feelings. Thank you. Have a great day.
To explain you the real meaning of patience, here is one beautiful poem.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Ritika Arya. I study in class first. My school name is APS Haldwani Lamacha. My class teacher name is Mrs. Mahi. Ma'am, patience. Don't lose patience. Don't be hopeless. Because soon the puzzle pieces will find designated place. Octo, sometime it may take a while, and it seems that you are running out of time. For nothing worth having is easily achieved. Patience is always that key to succeed. Thank you.
To tell you about the importance of patience, here is one beautiful speech by our little tiny Tot.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jitendra Joshi from grade first day. Today I will tell you the importance of patience. One of the many benefits of patience is that patience help us better decision. Patience is the pause thoughts help us thoughts back under control. Another author benefit to being to of patience is that help us preserve and relationship. Thank you and be patient.
Here is our class teacher Miss Mahima Adhikari China for the moral talk. Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at home. So students, do you know what is our theme today? Our theme for assembly is patience. Patience means धीरज रखना, wait करना, wait for something better. So in life, patience is very important. Do you know why? Because to achieve our goals and our aims in life, we have to be patient, because there are certain steps that need to be followed to achieve them. We cannot achieve our goal instantly. We have to wait for it. We will do mistake, then only we will learn. We always learn from our mistake. We will fall, we will rise. We will fail, we will pass. And one day we will achieve our goals. So I request you to be patient in life. There is always a correct time to achieve something, to get something in life. Wait for the correct time and be patient. The distance between or the time between pass and fail. You have to maintain patience in life. I hope you all will maintain patience in life and wait for your goals to complete. And surely one day you will achieve your goals. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Let us devote our 52 seconds to honor our nation.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sakshan Pandey. I am from class 1st. Get ready for national anthem. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय है, भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा, रावण उत्कल बंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उत्कल उच्चल जलधि तिरंगा, तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए तब जय गाथा, जन गण मंगल दायक जय है, भारत भाग्य विधाता जय है, जय है, जय है, जय 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 है. Thank you.
Thank you. Be patient and wait for your success.